So what's the game plan for the short sellers? They waited, then come heavily for BBBY, BBIG, and AMC for today. What's going on? We have to build our strategy to buy the reversal or the bottom for those stocks because we're gonna have a volatility in coming days. Let's build the strategy. Where do you get in, where do you get out? And we talk about the stock that squeezed today, even the market going down. We have almost 100% for those stocks. Are we late to the party, or still there is a profit to be made for today and the next trading session for tomorrow? So let's get right to it and start our video with this stock. It's crazy volatile. You see, now we have almost 56% up. It's called GRFX. We talked about it in our pre-market update 4 hours ago for our Monday squeeze watch list. And what we said, we're gonna have a support. If we held above the $3, we're gonna test the first profit taking around the $3.67. It was a perfect hunt for us. If we go back in the chart, you see, if we go in smaller picture, we have a consolidation here above the $3.02, our trigger area, and then the price tested the $3.67. We have a bit of red candle forming, that's why it is a resistance. Then we went until the $4.46, so 2 profit taking, but we already took our profit here. That we do it daily or almost daily. When I find a really good setup, I put it on our membership here on YouTube and of course on our Patreon. So is there a room to get in for this stock? Is a bit dangerous now. Look what's happening. Now we testing the resistance, now is the support. We have 2 tests here and big wick here. So the price is about to break now. If we broke it, we're gonna have another test around the $3, potential double bottom. We have to wait for tomorrow play because this will be a tomorrow play. If we held above the $3, we're gonna have a retest for the $3.67. Again, we need to hold and confirm this strong support. The next stop we have BTU. This one as well, we talked about it 3 days ago when the market was 3% down for BTU. We suggest that the price will gravitate up and test our profit taking around the 26.97. If we go now, what's happening for BTU? Now is the 27.54. So we broke our resistance. You see a bit of struggle here around the 26.98 resistance. We already took our profit and now holding above the resistance, now to support the 26.98. As we said, BTU is doing good and we suggest to buy because we have breaking out from this important level that I just spoke about in our Patreon. This breakout give us our signal to buy BTU because it's pretty bullish for me. Escape from this downtrending channel and we enter a bullish trending channel. Now we have a target again around the 31.86. If we held the BTU above the 27, this will be it. We're gonna have a continuation for a bullish momentum for BTU, which is energy stock, everybody knows, around the 31, so another 15%. The other stock, like AMC, crazy man, what's going on to AMC? 38%. If you remember, we already talked about it in our live streaming and we said around the $5.50 we're gonna have a visit there if we don't hold above the 16. And when the market opened, it gapped. Last Friday we held above our AMA. We have a bit of buying pressure, and when the market opened we have a huge gap. So where the price will go, let me just go in the smaller picture as well. We have the 14 is the resistance, not the 16. Now the 14 is the resistance. The market open, we have a wick. That's mean there's a huge selling pressure from above. Now we have to have a support. There's a potential support around this area above the $10. If we don't hold the $10 for AMC, the price where we're gonna have a reversal and a potential like a bottom, not the $5.50, but the $7.70 first, because here we're gonna have a volatility. Even if we went down, we're gonna have a big wick, but the price will close above the $7.70. And again, if we hold above the $10, we're gonna have official test for the 14 next time. So I will be watching this area of support above the $10. We'll confirm everything. Are we gonna go around the $7.50, or we're gonna have a test and holding this double support above the $10? BBBY, again, a lot of people ask me about it, what's going on with it. Huge volatility before the market open. We have a green candle open and tested the last price action for Friday. If we go smaller picture, you see that what's going on here. We have a crazy wick and fight around this EMA, around the $10 mark, $10.70. What does that mean? This is undecision phase between the buyers and sellers. Now we close below is mean the seller have won the game, and you see that we have 3 red candle forming. There's a potential for tomorrow visit for this strong support above the $8.80. We need to hold above the $8.80 to confirm reversal and testing the $12.50. This is, for my opinion, the most important resistance for BBBY to have a reversal and around the 20 and above. So the $12.50 you have to put alerts above this area, and the $8.80 should we should hold, otherwise we're gonna have the $7.30, the same price as AMC, you know, $7.50, and BBBY $7.30, and both of them went around the $28, $27 for AMC and BBBY. Crazy level for the bottom and the top for both of them. Let me go to the last stock that we're gonna talk about, which is drug. Yeah, went 100%. This stock is doing crazy. The price triggered a squeeze after we broke, as we said before, the $1.57, and we enter a pull run until the $3.24. Now we confirm another support above this area, $2.15. So the $2.15 is the potential support for drug, and if we held this support, we're gonna have a retest for the $3.24 and going toward the profit taking around the $4.65. Hopefully that was clear and informative. If you have any question, let me know in comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt for tomorrow session. So see you in the next update.